In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see deleted history in Microsoft Edge. First, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in privacy.microsoft.com and press the Enter key. This will take you directly to the Microsoft Privacy dashboard. Here, you will need to sign in with the Microsoft account that you use in Microsoft Edge. This is essential because only your account will allow you to view your specific browsing data. You may be prompted to enter your email and password. Once you've entered your credentials, click on the Sign In button. You will see a loading icon as your account is verified. This process ensures your information remains secure and only accessible to you. Once you are signed in, look for the section labeled Browsing Data on the Microsoft Privacy dashboard. This section is crucial as it contains all the data related to your browsing activities. Click on Browsing Data to proceed. Upon clicking, you will be directed to a page where you can view your activity data and search history. This is valuable because it allows you to see what you have searched and visited recently, even if you thought you had deleted it. Now, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of the Browsing Data section. You will notice that your activity data is displayed in a list format. Each entry includes the date and time of your activity along with the web pages you visited. This organization makes it easier to find specific information you may be looking for. Understanding this data can help you track your online activities and manage your privacy settings more effectively. Next, you will see options to filter this data by date. This feature is particularly useful if you are looking for specific browsing activities from a particular time frame. Click on the Date Filter option and a calendar will appear. You can select a start date and an end date to narrow down your search. This little step saves you a lot of time later, allowing you to quickly locate the data you need without scrolling through irrelevant entries. After setting your desired date range, apply the filter. You will notice the browsing data updates to reflect only the activities within that time frame. This focused view allows you to pinpoint exactly what you need. You can easily see which websites you visited or searched for during those selected days. This functionality enhances your ability to review your internet usage and make informed decisions about your online behavior. As you scroll through your filtered browsing data, take note that you can click on individual entries for more details. When you click on an entry, it will provide additional context such as the full URL of the website. This clarity helps you remember the specific content you visited, which can be beneficial if you are trying to recall information. Remember, being aware of your browsing history can empower you to manage your online privacy more effectively. Finally, once you have reviewed your browsing history, remember to sign out of your Microsoft account, especially if you are using a shared or public computer. To do this, simply click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the page and select the Sign Out option. This ensures that your personal data remains secure and prevents unauthorized access. By following these steps, you can easily see and manage your deleted history in Microsoft Edge. Understanding your browsing data is essential in today's digital world. It allows you to make informed decisions about your online presence. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.